Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're doing a two-car garage in Palm Harbor, Florida. Just finishing up, the top coat's down. This is a full chip job, written lifetime warranty. So today's color is color gravel. And you know, you would think that gravels would be darker than this, but it's actually a pretty light color. It's a very nice color, very neutral. So we cut the edge into the driveway here. So this job actually had no expansion joints. And surprising, there was not one crack on this whole floor. There was some spalling over here. Maybe the garage door was left open in some rainstorms or whatever. But otherwise, the floor was in great condition.